Oh, what's up, YouTube? How you doing? Uh, just enjoying Christmas Eve, chilling at the lake. Uh, yeah, just chilling. Um, there's been a lot going on lately. Like I just got like around 8 bicycles to get, and business is doing really good. Um, yeah, what you should do is actually buy and sell on Poshmark and Amazon. It's easy because you go to thrift stores, then then when you're at the thrift store, you look for things that are like $2. Like I bought this backpack for like $2 right at the thrift store, the DAV, and I could sell it for $25, but I'm not going to since I want to keep it. But yeah, everybody should look into thrifting and get the dollar items that are at the dollar store, resell. Like I saw these emoji pillows. It's like, dang, I should get that, and then resell it later on Amazon or something like that. Check that out. But yeah, guys, just enjoying the view today. Really, I have nothing to talk about except chill with the bike at the lake. Yeah, guys, 2019 is about to start soon. Start growing your business. Start investing your money into things that will make you more money in the long run. Yeah, thrifting. Go do what else? Go to garage sales. Even garage sales, they got like some cool things to get and go on free items at Craigslist. Like I saw this dude turn a couple dollars to $1,000 in 5 days on YouTube, living Bobby. Thing is, he had to do some extra odd jobs, like have his own pop-up restaurant. What else? Pop-up restaurant. He got free things on Craigslist and flipped them real quick. That's the biggest thing, is flipping, because flipping, you go get an easy return in money just by acquiring the product and then just selling it like right away, you know. Yeah, what else is there? Yeah, check out thrifting, because go to thrift stores, get your cheap items there, and then resell on Amazon or Poshmark. That's a really big thing. Thing with Poshmark, you gotta, let's say I bought this Calvin Klein jacket for sale at DAV or something like that, and it was like $5, and then I resell it real quick online on Poshmark for 30. What did I say? $9, $10? Oh shoot. Well, I get like a $20 or more profit just by putting it on Poshmark, but you gotta like, follow, and share other people's posts so they can share your post in return after you post something. But yeah, guys, I'm about to try out Poshmark. I'm gonna do thrifting and hopefully dollar stores. Yeah, I'm gonna get into that. Get just acquire items and then resell for profit. But yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Used to be a farm fresh. Yeah, everything's going online these days, I'm telling you. Like Sears closed down, Farm Fresh, Kmart. Now it's gonna be all online pretty much. And hey guys, hey to YouTube, just chilling in the workshop. Just got these free bikes. Like, look at all these bikes, man. I got 4 beach cruisers today. Wait, there's another one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I got two kids bikes. One's a Tonka, the yellow one you see right there. Yeah, I'm about to give that to a kid probably. And got like a motorcycle looking one. Then I still gotta fix up that red one, and then two like girls bikes. But that's what I collected so far. And then of course my bike. Yeah, satisfied that I reached out on and like the Nextdoor app and asked people who's junk in their bike. I'll come pick up. I mean, you can't miss out on opportunities, guys. Just grab free stuff online, like on Craigslist and Nextdoor. Do anything you can to obtain as much product to sell later on. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna refurbish and fix up these bikes. But yeah, it's been a great day so far, guys. Hold on. Ugh. Oh shoot, I almost dropped the drop light. But yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it a night. But just gonna chill in here for a bit, maybe go back to bed. Go to bed, I mean. But yeah, alright guys, later, peace. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, today I'm gonna talk about why you should look for opportunity. Yeah, I got all these bikes for free pretty much, and basically I went on an app and called Nextdoor. Basically it's like neighbors talk to each other on it. It's like a Facebook for neighbors. Then people just message me about free bikes, and after I post, hey, if anyone's getting rid of a bike, please let me know. And then right now I got probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 right now. I got a couple more in the shed. I mean, they're little kids bikes, but it'll work. But yeah, I got these beach cruisers. Yeah, let's see here. Regular Huffy. Then the next one is Huffy as well. And then these two right here. Let's see here. Yeah, then I got two that are 3-speed. No, 5-speed. Yeah, they're pretty good bikes right there. It's a nice find. Let me try to point to it. Yeah, that one and that one. So I got I got a Peugeot and a Schwinn. Great bikes to have. Yeah, all this for free pretty much. Yeah, so gonna get down with that. Just gotta fix them up, look nice, make them look nice, degrease, de-rust, do all that sort of thing to all these bikes. Just letting you guys know that there's always opportunity out there, whether it be free stuff on Craigslist, free stuff on the Nextdoor app. Try also OfferUp and Letgo. They usually have like cheap things to buy on there that you can resell, but this is how I'm making some money right now. But alright guys, talk to y'all later. Peace.